Hello, children. Today we begin with a new chapter, addition and subtraction. Now, you must have done this earlier in your previous classes. Most of you, in fact, all of you must be knowing how to add two numbers. We are going to learn how to add a little bigger numbers. Now, the first exercise that you have, problem set 7, is addition of 5-digit numbers. Okay, so I have done this for you. We'll just see how it is done. Yes. The first one, 40,722 plus 13,819. Now, children, when you write this, remember, you start from the units place and you go up to the higher place values. The second number that you write, see that it is written in the same order. Okay. Now, here, as we have written the first question, begin from the left, 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 you write in the tens place, units place, and the 1 in the tens place you will carry it over. Now add the next one, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Next 8 plus 7, 15, 5, carry over 1, 3 plus 0 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So your answer is 54,541. Second question, same method, 8 plus 7, 15, 5 carry over 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 6 plus 4, 10, 0 carry over 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 0 is 7, 5 plus 1, 6, 67,075. So the same method you have to do the next two questions, 3 and 4. I have solved it for you. Hope you understood, and then you will write it in your classworks. Now in your classwork, I hope children you all have completed up to chapter 2. Now as I am solving this over here, you're going to do exactly like this in your classworks. Okay. We go to the next part of the textbook, that is problem set 8, wherein you're going to add 6-digit and 7-digit numbers. Now, there may be few numbers like this as they have shown in the solved examples, wherein look at example 3. Now you have 3,12,469 plus 758. Now when you have numbers like this, as I've told you before, you will always start from the units place. See, 758, 8 is to be written in the units place, 5 in the tens place, and 7 in the hundreds place. 24,092, the third number, starting from the right hand side. So 2 in the units place, 9 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 4 in the thousands place, and 2 in the 10,000s place. So that's 24,092. Once you have put the numbers correctly according to the place values, then there is no difficulty to add them up. Okay. So please remember to do it like this. Now look at example number 4, 64 plus 409 plus 5,13,728. So always remember, put the numbers starting from the right hand side, that is from the units place, and then come on to the higher place values so that you don't make a mistake. Now problem set 8, there are about 10 sums. I have solved these sums for you. You will go through each one of them and you are going to do this in your classworks. First question, 42,311 plus 65,36,624. When you add up, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus 1, 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 6 plus 2, 8, 4 plus 3, 7, 5 and 6 have nothing to be added up with, so they are written as it is. So you get 65,78,935. Now in this question there are no carryovers, but surely you will have questions which have carryovers. Now question number 2, 9 plus 3, 12. 2 carry over 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1, that's 4. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 carry over 1. 7 plus 4, 11, plus 1, 12. 2 carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2, plus 0, 2. 8 plus 3, 11. So 11 lakhs 22,142. Children, I hope you have understood generally how the method is to add numbers. It's same like what you have been doing before, just that you need to arrange them properly and then you have to add them. Now question number 5. 2,654. 71,209. If you observe, 7 comes to a number which is slightly one number to the left. So there's nothing on top, but that does not matter. The next number, 5,03,789. Okay, and then you have to add it. Look at question number 6. 29 plus 726 plus 51,36,274. Children, I hope you have understood how to add numbers which do not have the same set of place values for all of them. So some are 2-digit numbers, some are 3-digit, some may be 4-digit, some may be 5, some may be 6, some may be 7-digit numbers. So whatever it is, you know how to put them in the correct place, starting from the units and going to the higher place values and then adding it up together. Question number 7. 14,02,649 plus 524. So 4 in the units place, 2 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place. So that's 524 plus 28,13,749. Okay. Same way, question number 9. Very similar to the other sum that we have done. So like this, you will do all the sums up to question number 10 in your classwork. Add it up, write it down properly, leave enough space between the digits so that it does not look jumbled up and you also don't get confused while you add. You can put a line on top and on top you can write the numbers which are carried over from one place to the other. Okay, so all 10 sums are done, children. You will go through it and complete it in your classwork. Now we go to the next exercise, that's problem set 9. Now these are word problems. Okay, again they are very simple. You just need to understand the question, write the statements and add them. First question, in a certain election, 13,47,048 women and 14,28,638 men cast their votes. How many votes were polled altogether? So you have few men and women casting their votes. So first you will write number of women. So that's 13,47,048. Number of men, 14,29,638. And then you will add both of them and you get the total votes polled together is equal to 27,76,686. Okay, you can put a plus sign between both of them so that you know it is adding up and then you can do the addition. Okay, here children I have not put the plus sign. So 13,47,048 plus 14,29,638. Add it up and then you get your final answer. Okay, we go to question number 2. Question number 2. What will be the sum of the smallest and the largest 6-digit numbers? Okay, so it's smallest and the largest 6-digit numbers. So first write the smallest 6-digit number. So 1 followed by 5 zeros, that's 1 lakh. Largest 6-digit number, 9,99,999. Add both of them, you get 10,99,999. Okay. Next, we go to question number 3. Question number 3. If Surekha Tai bought a tractor for 8,07,957 and a thresher for 32,609, how much money did she spend altogether? So obviously we need to add up both these values. So the statements are like this: amount paid for tractor equal to rupees 8,07,957, amount paid for thresher rupees 32,609. For total amount, add both of them up: 9 plus 7 16, 6 carry over 1, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 0 is 6, 9 plus 6 is 15, 5 carry over 1, 7 plus 1 8 plus 2, that's 10. So 0 carry over 1, 3 plus 1, that's 4, and 8 you will write as it is because there is no number down. So that's 8,40,566 rupees. So that is the total money that she spent altogether. Okay. Next, we go to question number 4. Question number 4. A textile mill produced 17,24,938 meters of cloth last year and 23,47,056 meters this year. What was the total production for the 2 years? Now again, to find out the total production, we need to add both the values. So production of cloth last year, 17,24,938 meters. Production of cloth this year, 23,47,056 meters. Therefore, total production for both the years, you will add both of them up. And so you get 40,71,994 meters. Children, I hope you are able to understand how to add it up, okay, and write your answer. And do not forget to write the final answer separately in a separate line at the end of the sum. We go to the last question, that's question number 5. Question number 5. If the government gave rupees 34 lakhs 62,950 worth of computers and rupees 3 lakh 26,578 worth of TV sets to the schools, what is the total amount it spent on the equipments? So once again, we need to add it up. So the statements are like this: amount spent on computers rupees 34 lakh 62,950, amount spent on TV sets rupees 3 lakhs 26,578. Therefore the total amount spent on equipments, you will add both of them, 37 lakhs 89,528. Okay, so with that we finish uh, the last question of this exercise. So children, today we have done problem set 7, 8 and 9. So all three are very simple exercises. I hope you have understood the concept properly. I want all of you to be writing this down properly in your classworks and completing it up to this particular exercise. Okay. Thank you children.